Hey guys, Roland with Impress Computers, and today we're going to be speaking about hard drives. Your hard drive, every hard drive ever produced is always going to fail. Here's a simple way that you can do to check the condition of your hard drive. Simply go to our website, click on Resources, and then Tools, and then under Tools you're going to have a Run a Hard Drive Test. Save it, and then you're going to run that executable. Doesn't take long. Make sure that you click on I accept, click on next, next, and next, and then install. You're going to run it, and then it's going to come back. You can see straight away, it tells me that my hard drive is good, what my temperature is, and that everything's running pretty well. If you've got any issues, then it's going to come up and say you've got a problem with your hard drive. You want to do this before your hard drive fails. Don't wait for it to crash and then you lose all your data. I'm Roland with Impress Computers, 281-647-9977.